I've been exploring the Plus500 app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Plus500 app. Plus500 is a name that stands out for its user-friendly experience, broad asset range, and competitive fees. The app is designed for both new and experienced traders, offering access to thousands of CFDs on stocks, indices, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, all from a single account. One of Plus500's biggest strengths is its intuitive trading interface, available via web browser and dedicated mobile apps for both Android and iOS. The platform is clean, easy to navigate, and optimized for fast execution, real-time price quotes, and advanced charting tools, making it simple to manage trades and monitor markets on the go. There's no need for desktop downloads, and you can practice risk-free with an unlimited demo account before trading real money. Plus500 is known for its zero-commission trading. All costs are built into the spread, so you won't pay extra fees per trade. Spreads are generally tight, especially for forex and index CFDs, though stock CFD spreads can be higher. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees, but an inactivity fee applies if you don't log in for 3 months. The app offers valuable research tools like the Plus Insights feature, which highlights top-traded instruments, market sentiment, and trending assets, as well as push notifications for price alerts and news events. You can compare your trading activity to other users with the Plus Me tool and dive deep into instrument-specific data for smarter decisions. One limitation is that Plus500 doesn't support algorithmic or copy trading, nor does it offer traditional options trading. Everything is via CFDs. Leverage is available up to 1:30 for retail clients, but remember, trading leveraged products carries significant risk, and most retail traders lose money. Overall, Plus500 is a solid choice for those seeking a streamlined, accessible trading platform with a robust set of tools and a wide selection of tradable assets, especially if you value a simple, commission-free experience with strong mobile support. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.